Hey everyone, Kevin here. So we're talking about lighting today because my last video, I realized when I was editing it how washed out a lot of the shots were from the sun coming in through the garage door. So today we're going to show what I did with the lighting and, well, let's get into it. So we actually switched sides of the garage, if you noticed. So we were on this side, but we ran into a little lighting issue over here because we have this storage rack up there. And it was gonna create kind of a weird light shadow thing going on. So I ended up moving it over on this side. And you can see that we did 4 different lights here. One's a little sideways there because we're gonna be using this pulley system for storage during the winter. But yeah, that should help out with all the new projects and stuff coming up. All the lighting will be good, won't be washed out. I might be maybe taping over these windows, depends on how it all goes. We'll see though. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know how it went.